So let's get to more on the same, where the income tax officials continue with the interrogation of actor Taapsee Pannu and filmmaker Anurag Kashyap for the third day in connection with the alleged tax evasion case. Now, the searches will also continue, where the IT officials stayed at the same Pune hotel wherein Taapsee and Anurag Kashyap have been staying. Sources say the actor and the director were not allowed to leave their respective hotel rooms for the whole day yesterday. The interrogation began at 8 a.m. today, even as the Income Tax Department issued a statement on the Bollywood-linked raids, questioning nearly 300 crores discrepancy, where they said in a statement that was released that there was evidence of huge suppression of income by the leading film production house compared to the actual box office collections that has been unearthed. Going across to Yesha now, getting us those live updates from Pune.
That's right. So what has been found by the Income Tax Department is that there's a tax evasion worth around 300 crores by a leading production house. Now, this raid are being conducted across two leading production houses and two talent management firm and one leading actor, is what Income Tax Department officials have informed. This tax evasion includes tax evasion by Phantom Films. Apart from that, this tax evasion by the Phantom Films is what is being investigated, as a result of which there were raids which are being carried out over the last 3 days at Madhu Mantena's office. Apart from that, also the residence of Anurag Kashyap, Taapsee Pannu. Also, there is a questioning that is going on of Anurag Kashyap and Taapsee Pannu at their shoot location, which is in Pune. Now, this tax evasion also involves Taapsee Pannu, and Income Tax in their press release has informed that there is a tax evasion worth rupees 5 crores, as a result of which there are 7 lockers which have been seized.
Right.
And because these 7 lockers have been seized, there is further investigation that's going on. The investigation will continue today, and both Anurag Kashyap and Taapsee Pannu are still being questioned. However, they've been informed to cancel their shoots for the next few days so that the investigation can continue. Over to you.
All right, so the investigation continues for the third straight day there. But when it comes to the questioning of other people as well, including other prominent directors in the case, Yesha, can you give us more details on how far the investigation has been led to the other directors who have been named?
So on the first day, CEO of Exceed Entertainment was also being questioned, as there were raids also being conducted at his house. There's also a raid being carried out at Madhu Mantena's office and her residence. Now, Madhu Mantena, what we see was one of the stakeholders in Phantom Films and also the stakeholder in Con Talent Management Company. So, like we see, this raid is taking place across 5 to 6 prominent names in Bollywood, which includes two production houses, 2 talent management companies, and 1 actress. So this involves, of course, Vikas Bhal, CEO of Exceed Entertainment. Apart from that, Anurag Kashyap for his stake in Phantom Films, and several 2-3 more people. So across 5 or 6 locations is where this raid is taking place in Mumbai. Apart from that, there's questioning going on in Pune. So what we got to know yesterday was these raids are carrying on in Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad, and Delhi. So these are some of the leading names which have come up. Now here what's important is they are questioning and interrogating the larger role of Phantom Films right from the last 10 years and trying to understand the entire tax evasion. So right now what Income Tax Department has found is there's a tax evasion worth 300 crores from their box office collections, which they've not revealed, as a result of which the penalty could come up to somewhere around 350 crores. Apart from that, Taapsee Pannu's evasion is worth rupees 5 crores. And this they are questioning for. They are trying to unearth more information and understand what exactly is the case here, so that which is why the questioning is still going on the third day. Now, what we also see is Taapsee Pannu is being questioned in Pune, but her role is not being questioned in terms of Phantom Films connection. Taapsee Pannu, apart from...
All right, so individually on her role of alleged tax evasion is what the Income Tax Department has been questioning the actor and the filmmaker Anurag Kashyap, today being the third day of the interrogation that continues. That's happening in Pune. Yesha is reporting live from Mumbai. Thanks very much, Yesha, for the moment. We'll come back to you with more updates. Let's move on now to election breaking updates coming in.